Good morning, my name is Daniela Vergara and I'm the CEO and founder of Recibat. Today I have a question for you. Did you know that toxins inside batteries can enter the food chain if not managed correctly, polluting the environment and damaging people's health? This is a serious problem because in Chile batteries are not recycled. They are tossed into domestic waste or disposed in security landfills where chemicals are confined to prevent them from spilling to the environment. We created Recibat as a solution to recover battery components, mainly zinc, manganese, and scrap metal, to reuse them as raw material for other industries under a circular economy model, where we recover an environmental liability, value waste, and become the first sustainable plant to treat this waste in Chile. On a market where 100 million units per year are imported, 80% is discarded, and generates sales of 15,000 million batteries and $50,000 million per year. Our business model has 6 business lines that go from our market entry strategy, developing environmental educational programs to create environmental culture in the community. Then we implement recycling infrastructure, house waste management service under subscription for a monthly fee. We also have the reception and treatment fee at the plant, a license usage fee for franchise model, and the sale of raw materials to different industries. Some of our clients are producers of batteries, such as Duracell, companies that use our products as supplies for their processes like Bosch to galvanize metals, and municipalities that have to manage community household wastes. To strengthen our market positioning, we close agreements with government institutions for the scouting of our female workers and the batteries collection process, with NGOs to impact vulnerable communities, and with logistics systems to lower our costs and make more efficient our operation process. Our value proposition is to provide a complete service that goes from the generation of environmental culture to the sustainable waste management process that generates impact for over 10,000 people on the first year of implementation for our environmental education programs, plus the generation of sources of income from baseline recyclers and job opportunities for vulnerable women whom are trained to work as operators at the plant. This startup has grown over the years thanks to the support of a multidisciplinary team in charge of sales, marketing, permits, plant processes, and finances. We began in 2017 doing lab tests with Codelcotec. On 2018, we built the basic prototype. On 2019, we developed a lab-scale prototype with Universidad Atacama. We also had the first sales. On 2020, we are building the advanced prototype and working on commercial validation, and we closed the period with sales for $12,000. To be able to scale this model and apply it to other types of batteries like lithium batteries, since in Chile, 3 million cell phones and over 500,000 units of laptops are discarded yearly. We provide scientific innovation to fight climate change, recycling one battery at a time. On times where collaboration and environmental education are key to generate change agents and more conscious society, we invite you to go green, go Recibat.